I am pleased to greet all the participants in this regional seminar on decolonization hosted by Grenada. Since its founding, the United Nations has been engaged in decolonization processes around the globe. And that work continues today, as 17 non-self-governing territories remain. Last November, on the question of New Caledonia, New Caledonians held a referendum on their future and on the status of the territory. I commend the government of France for its commitment throughout the referendum process, as well as the contribution of this special committee. Today, renewed commitment of all involved parties and pragmatic measures are required to accelerate decolonization processes. The United Nations will continue to assist, but all should play their role: the administering powers, non-self-governing territories, member states, and the Special Committee on Decolonization. In that spirit, please accept my best wishes for a successful gathering. Thank you.